Now we use the is none function, which stands for is not a number. This function takes in a string or number as an argument and returns true if it evaluates to not a number. So is none, the it's a string test, is not a number. Yes, the test is not a number, so it's true. 2 is not a number. It's false because 2 is a number. Is none 3.5. It's a string, but the text is 3.5, which is a number. It's not a number, so it's a false because 3.5 is a number. Okay, now update the second condition here. In your if statement, you use is not a number function to check if the value returned by a parse int is not a number. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so how would you do that? I do not know. Let's take a guess. So I reckon parse integer. Let's say here none. Let's wrap around it by this function. Oh, we are correct.